I think one of the fundamental reasons is fear. As we can see, no one regime during the past 100 and plus years was dared to let the Oromo freely live on their land. They fear that unified and free Oromo will turn one day against them for revenge. Thus, every genuine voice has to be silenced by whatever means. For instance, the OLF was one of the genuine voices in the past, which was systematically silenced. The Oromo political parties in the country are also not allowed to make their voice heard appropriately today. From institution to individuals, the same rule applies. If you speak or work for the people truly, you will be systematically silenced, and this can range from false accusation and imprisonment to execution even. No one ruler during the past 100 and plus years dared to call for reconciliation, which is the only remedy for the chronic problem, according to what I strongly believe. That is a pity, really, it's a pity.